Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GSM alarm system is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home or business. In this video, we're diving deep into a top-rated GSM alarm system, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to the daily operation, helping you decide if this system is the right choice for your security needs. Number 5. Smart Home Security Alarm System with Wi-Fi, 3-4G, and app. This smart home security system offers comprehensive protection. It uses both Wi-Fi and 3-4G GSM for reliable connectivity, ensuring you're always informed about your home security. There are no hidden costs or subscription fees. You have complete control through the free app, and it works with Google Assistant and Alexa. The alarm kit includes everything you need: an alarm host, motion detector, remote controls, door-window sensors, RFID cards, and a siren. It even comes with the required batteries, so it is ready to use. It supports both Wi-Fi and 3-4G GSM dual networks. If the Wi-Fi fails, it automatically switches to GSM. You can set different alarm statuses, like away arm, home arm, and timely arm. The system can handle up to 100 sensors. You can add more components like motion detectors and water leak sensors. This allows you to customize the system to fit your specific needs. It sends an SMS notification when the power goes off and comes back on. With a backup battery, it ensures the alarm continues to function even during a power outage. Arm and disarm the system using the remote control, app, RFID card, or a call. The door sensor has a long-range signal, covering up to 2,500 square feet. What we like. This system offers dual network support, ensuring you're always connected. If you have unreliable Wi-Fi or live in an area with frequent power outages, this is a great choice. It provides peace of mind knowing that even without Wi-Fi, it can still alert you via GSM, and the backup battery keeps it running during power failures. What people say. I was able to install the keypad, motion detector, and sensors with no problem. The remote key fobs allows me to set the alarm from any room, or I can set it from my iPhone. Works with Wi-Fi and is US LTE compatible. Number 4. TOLVIVIOV Wi-Fi Home Security System 15-piece kit. This home security system allows you to control everything remotely through an app. It keeps you connected and informed, no matter where you are, ensuring your home's safety. Forget complicated setups. This system is designed for easy DIY installation, saving you time and money. You can set it up quickly without any professional help. With a loud 120 dB siren, this system is a strong deterrent against intruders. The loud alarm will alert you and scare off any potential threats, protecting your home. Receive instant alerts directly to your smartphone. The system keeps you updated on any suspicious activity, so you're always in the know about what's happening at home. Customize the system to fit your needs. It supports up to 20 sensors and 5 remote controls. You can easily expand it to cover your entire home. Enjoy the benefits of a home security system without the added cost of monthly fees. This system provides comprehensive protection, saving you money in the long run. This Wi-Fi alarm system works seamlessly with Alexa. It offers a hands-free experience, making it even easier to manage your home security. What we like. With the app remote control, you can manage your home security from anywhere. If you are looking for a system that's easy to set up and doesn't require any subscription fees, this is perfect. It's ideal for those who value convenience and cost-effectiveness in their home security solutions. What people say. It has great connections, good quality, easy to use and set up, and good battery life. This TOLVIVIOV alarm system comes with very clear instructions and is easy to set up. With the phone app, I can monitor and disarm the system from anywhere. Same with asking Alexa to do it for you. The fob allows you to disarm from just outside the home. Number 3. Splenssy Wi-Fi GSM Smart Home Security System. This smart home security system offers comprehensive protection. It allows you to easily monitor and control your home's security from anywhere. The system utilizes both Wi-Fi and GSM for reliable connectivity. It ensures you're always connected and informed about your home security status. You can remotely arm or disarm the system via the app. It also sends push notifications to your phone, keeping you updated on any activity. The system supports SMS and dialing alarms. You can set up to 5 phone numbers for alerts and customize SMS and dial-out settings. With its 2.4-inch LCD screen and voice prompts, the system is easy to operate. It supports up to 100 wireless zones for added flexibility. You can add remote controls, RFID cards, and wireless detectors as needed. It offers multiple arming modes, including away and home arming. What we like. This system supports SMS and dial alarm, offering multiple ways to stay informed. If you like having multiple control options and prefer a system with a clear display, this is a great fit. It's designed for users who want comprehensive control and immediate alerts. What people say. Muy buena alarma, y he comprado varias porque algunos familiares les gustó. Works wonderfully. Very nice system, user-friendly. It has an admin code and an user code that both needs to be activated in order to block the control panel after the system is armed, so if the alarm is triggered you will need to put the user code to disarm it. Very flexible system, every sensor may be programmed as needed independently from each other. The RFID are very versatile, especially for kid and elderly, so they don't have to remember the disarm code. You may program to have messages sent to your phone over Wi-Fi letting you know where the breach happened, and also you may use your phone to arm or disarm remotely. Very happy with this system. It has many options and really easy to program and adjust to your needs. I have no cameras, but all sensors are of a good range and sensitivity. Number 2. Instant Kini Safe Alert Wi-Fi Motion Sensor. This device sends instant SMS and push alerts when motion is detected. It provides real-time notifications directly to your phone within seconds. No subscription is needed for this service. It prioritizes your privacy with no GPS tracking or video recording. The device is designed for data-conscious users, sending only SMS messages. It's compliant with GDPR and TCPA standards. You won't have to worry about monthly fees. The device comes with a USB-C cable, and there are no recurring charges for standard use. An optional free iOS app is also available. The rechargeable battery lasts over a year on a single charge. It also includes low battery alerts, so you're always informed. This ensures you're protected without any unexpected maintenance. It features a built-in accelerometer to detect vibrations and movement. You can customize the sensitivity to fit your specific needs. This allows you to tailor the device to your environment. It's easy to install and mount anywhere with dual lock tape. You can secure it to safes, cabinets, or valuables. It's compact and discreet, requiring no screws or drilling. Don't have Wi-Fi? Use it with Kini Plus Solis Lite Hotspot, sold separately. It's ideal for various locations, including hotels, RVs, cabins, and rentals. This ensures it works wherever you need it. What we like. This device sends instant motion alerts directly to your phone. If you are looking for a discreet, easy-to-install security solution for valuables, this is the one. It's perfect for those who prioritize privacy and need a reliable, long-lasting monitoring system. What people say. They send me a text with the name and time of the movement. The sensor itself is small and unobtrusive, and it comes with Velcro, which makes it easy to remove for recharging if needed. From the initial setup, to installation, and day-to-day operation, the sensor and process is superior quality. The process to set up the device is well documented and simple. The sensor is accurate, reliable, and I don't have to worry about not getting an alert. I have had no false positives whatsoever. Anytime I go into my safe I get the alert as soon as the door opens. Number 1. TheCoolCube 103B GPS Tracker with Remote Control. This device is more than just a GPS tracker, it's a comprehensive car alarm system. It offers multiple alarm features to keep your vehicle secure, providing you with peace of mind. The tracker includes vibration, door open, movement, and ignition alarms. It also alerts you in case of power failure. This ensures you are always informed about your car's status. It features a mileage calculation function, acting as an odometer. You can also set up a geofence alarm to get notified when the vehicle enters or exits a defined area. Set overspeed alarms to monitor driving behavior. The device uses SMS, GPRS, and Internet for data transfer, allowing for point-to-point and group monitoring. The device continuously tracks the vehicle at different time and distance intervals. It provides the exact street address via the GSM network. The SD card allows for data logging. With support for 9-36V, it is suitable for various vehicles like buses, taxis, trucks, and personal or business cars. It's a versatile solution for all your tracking needs. What we like. This device is not only a GPS tracker but also a car alarm. If you have a vehicle and want to protect it from theft, this is an excellent choice. It offers various alarm types and tracking capabilities, making it ideal for vehicle owners seeking comprehensive security. What people say. Well, it works well, wasn't hard to install, battery life very good, 8th product is build quality and very safe to use. It's installed on a vehicle internationally and works well. Once that is done, just text to the unit and it should replay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.